reused SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched 10 new communications satellites from the Vandenberg base of the California Air Force today, March 30, on a morning takeoff that also marked an anniversary for the reusable rockets. The Falcon 9 rocket, which flew for the first time in October 2017, launched the fifth set of Iridium Next satellites for Iridium Communications at 10:13 a.m. EDT 14:13 GMT, exactly 1 year after the first launch and landing of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Since then, SpaceX commonly landed the first stage of its two-stage Falcon 9 rockets and reused them in later flights. In fact, the reinforcement that launched today's Iridium 5 mission also launched another 10 Iridium Next satellites on October 9 during SpaceNet's Iridium 3 mission. And last December, Iridium became the first SpaceX customer to launch a rocket mission that it used before, when the Iridium 4 mission was launched with the same amplifier that SpaceX used to launch another 10 satellites on its Iridium 2 flight in June 2017. Today, this is our fifth launch of the Iridium constellation, using only 3 rockets, said engineer Michael Hammersley.